Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard math subject. So what we have studied in our last session students? Yes, we have started comparison of fractions. In that we have seen how to compare like fractions and how to compare unlike fractions. We have solved 3 given example. The 4th example now we will solve. What is the 4th example students? Arrange 2 upon 5, 1 upon 3 and 5 upon 6 in ascending order. Now what is ascending order? Yes, tell me what is ascending order? Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from smaller to greater, isn't it? Now these are fractions numbers are there. So how to compare fractions numbers? Yes, and how to arrange in ascending order? First, now see, denominators are different, even numerators are different. If denominators are same, by seeing the numerators immediately we could arrange the numbers in ascending order, isn't it? But here all the denominators are different, so what we have to do? We have to find out the LCM of denominators. So how you will find out? See, 5 ones are 5, okay? So 5. And the next is 3 ones are 3, so multiplied by 3, isn't it? Now what about 6? 2 3s are 6, 3 ones are 3, and so see, LCM of 5 is 5, LCM of 3 is 3, and about 6 is 2 and 3. So we will take lowest common multiple, isn't it? Now 3 is same, so we will take just 5, 3 and 2. 3 2 times, no, we will have to take only once. So 5 3s are 15. 15 multiplied by 2, 30. 15 2s are 30. So what is the LCM of 5, 3 and 2 is 30. So LCM of 5, 3 and 6 is 30. Now 30 should come in the place of denominators. Where it should come? In the place of denominators, isn't it? So 2 upon 5, so denominator should come 30. So write directly 30, and we have to see which number we should multiply with 5 to get the 30. 5 6 are 30. So 6 we have to multiply in the place of numerators also. 2 6 are 12. Now 1 upon 3. Now denominator should come 30. So 3 10s are 30 and 1 10s are 10. And 5 upon 6, denominator is 30. LCM we have already find out it. So 6 5s are 30 and 5 5s are 25. So here we got the fractions 12 upon 30, 10 upon 30 and 25 upon 30. Now you can see the denominators are same. So these are like fractions. If denominators are same, so where we compare? We compare numerators. See, 12, 10 and 25. Now tell me which is smaller? 12 and 25? Of course 10 is smaller. So write here first 10 upon 30. The next 12. So write 12 upon 30. And the next 25 upon 30. Smaller, greater and greater. But what is the value of 30 upon 30? Sorry, 10 upon 30 means what? 1 upon 3. Again write. What is 12 upon 3 means? 2 upon 5. Right. What is 25 upon 30 means? 5 upon 6. Right. So 1 upon 3 is first, then second 2 upon 5, then third 5 upon 6. Is that clear? Yes. Now we will solve next example. Now we are going to see comparing mixed numbers and improper fractions. So example number 1. Compare 5 1 upon 2 and 7 upon 2. Now mixed fraction is there. Now first what we have to do? Mixed fractions we need to convert into improper fractions. So how we convert? We multiply whole number with denominator and add numerator, isn't it? So what is 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 upon 2, denominator we have to keep as it is. Now we got fraction of mixed fraction, that is 11 upon 2, and the next fraction is 7 upon 2. Now can we compare easily? How we can compare easily? Because denominators are same. These are like fractions. If the denominators are same, by seeing the numerator we can compare which is greater. So automatically 11 is greater number, so we have to give arrow to the 11. Clear? So this is what? 11 upon 2 means what? 5, 1 by 2, and 7 upon 2 as it is. Again you need to write in this way. Now one more example. Now compare to 1 upon 3 and 9 upon 2. Now see, 2 1 upon 3 is equals to 7 upon 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6. The LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6. So here 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, isn't it? So 7 upon 3, LCM is 6. What they said? The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So LCM when we find out, so LCM should write in the place of denominator. So here if I write 6, so 7 upon 3 is, we have to multiply 3 2s are 6 and 7 2s are 14. Now what about 9 upon 2? This 9 upon 2. So same, 2 3s are 6, 9 3s are 27. So we got the fractions 14 upon 6, 27 upon 6. So compare. Now denominators are same. You can see 6 and 6. Now just compare the numbers of in the place of numerators 27 and 14. Which is greater? 27. So give arrow to the 27 only. But what is 27 upon 6? Is 9 upon 2. And 14 upon 6 means what? 7 upon 3. Clear? See, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 3. So now we got two fractions that are 7 upon 3 and 9 upon 2. And see the denominators 3 and 2. We have to find out the LCM of 3 and 2 in this way. 2 1s are 2. What are the numbers? 3 2s are 6. Are you getting? So once we find out the LCM, so LCM should come in the place of denominator. So write the number, write first LCM in the place of denominator and see which number we have to multiply. So whatever number we take in the place of denominator, same number we have to take in the place of numerator and multiply. So we got 14 upon 6, 27 upon 6. When we compare, 27 is greater. Why? Because denominators are same. When the denominators are same, they are called as a like fractions. So very easy to compare. Clear? Yes. Now we will solve our exercise 1.7. What is A question? Which fraction is greater in each pair? Okay, we need to compare. Now we will solve one by one. That first one, 1 upon 3 comma 5 upon 3. See, now see the numbers 1 upon 3 and 5 upon 3, isn't it? So these are what? Like fractions. Why these are like fractions? Because denominators are same. So it is very easy to compare. When the denominators are same, we can compare easily. Now see the numerator, which is greater? 1 or 5? Yes, tell me. Of course 5 is greater, so where it goes? This side. Understood? Yes. Now I will solve next example. Third one. Now what is the third question? 1 upon 8 comma 1 upon 4. Now see. Now just observe the numbers. Denominators are same? No. So what to do? First we need to find out the LCM of both the denominators. First I will find out 8 denominator. Now see, 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So what are the numbers? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now 4's 2 2's are 4, 2 1's are 2. Now what are the multiples of 4? 2 multiplied by 2. Now we will not take common, we have to take only ones. So what are the numbers? 2 one time, 2 one time and 2. Now tell me 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. Isn't it? Correct? So what is the LCM? LCM is 8. Now we will solve the example. Now take 1 upon 8. Okay. So here we have to multiply. So the LCM should come in the place of denominator. What is LCM? 8. Now already your 8 is there in the place of denominator. So which number we have to multiply with 8 that we will get 8 only? 1. 1 8's are 8. Isn't it? Now once we have taken here 1 to multiply, sorry, I'll write in this way. First I'll write this number 8 multiplied by 1. So if we have taken in the place of denominator 1 to multiply, so we have to take 6 and this number as it is 1 1's are 1. Now next number 1 upon 4. So first you have to write directly in the place of denominator 8 because the LCM is 8. We have to write. So now we need to multiply. Now 4 multiplied by what? We get 8. 4 2's are 8. Isn't it? Now 2 we have taken in the place of denominator. So same number we have to multiply in the place of numerator also. Now see here what is there? 1. 1 2's are 2. Now see what numbers we got? 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8. Now see which is great. Now denominators are same, 8 and 8. When the denominators are same, they are like fractions. So how we compare? By seeing the numerators. In the place of numerator 1 and 2, which is greater? Of course 2 is greater. So give the arrow. Understood? Clear? Is that clear? Yes, very good. Now I'll solve next example. Now third one we have solved. Now fifth one I will solve. What is fifth one? 5 upon 16 and 3 upon 8. Now first what we have to do? We have to find out the LCM of denominators because denominators are not same, so we cannot compare the numbers. So I'll find out the LCM. Now see 18 is there, 2 8's are 16, 2 4's are 8, 2 2's are 4 and 2 1's are 2. What are the multiples of 16? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now next 8. 2 4's are 8, 2 2's are 4, 2 1's are 2. What are the multiples of 8? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now common we will write only once. The numbers are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by and single one time. Now do the multiplication. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are yes 16. This is what? LCM. Okay. LCM is what? 16. Now we will compare the numbers. 5 upon 16. Now see here. In the place of denominator what should come? 16 because LCM is 16. Now 16 multiplied by what is 16? 1. So here also 1. So here 5 as it is. 5 1's are 5. The next number 3 upon 8. Here should come 16. So 8 multiplied by what is 16? 8 2's are 16. 2 here means take 2 here also and 3 right as it is. 3 2's are 6. Now we got the fractions are 5 upon 16 and 6 upon 16. Now denominators are same 16 and 16. So we can compare these numbers because these are like fractions. And now we see the numerators 5 and 6, which is greater? Of course 6 is greater. Understood? Clear? Yes. Now next example I will solve. Now I will solve 8th one. Okay. What is the 8th one? 3 upon 7 comma 2 upon 5. Now see, we need to find out the LCM because denominators are different. Now see, 7 ones are 7. What about 5? 5 ones are 5. So 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 35 is what? LCM. Isn't it? Now we will compare the numbers. 3 upon 7. Okay. So in the place of denominator what should come? LCM, that is 35. Now write 7 as it is. Now 7 multiplied by what? We get 35. Yes. 7 5s are 35. Isn't it? So write 5 as it is. Now multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15. Now the next number 2 upon 5. So in the place of denominator what should come? 35. Write first only 35. Now what multiplied by 5 we get 35? 5 7s are. Isn't it? 5 7s are 35. So 7 here also we have to multiply in the place of numerator and the number 2 take as it is. 2 7s are 14. Now we got two fractions number that are 15 upon 35 and 14 upon 35. Isn't it? Now see. Now which is greater, 15 or 14, students? Tell me. Of course 15. But here I forgot in the 5th example also. Let me clear here. Then I will solve 5th one also once again. Now 15 upon 35 means which number? 3 upon 7. Now 14 upon 35 means which fraction? 2 upon 5. Which is greater? 15 upon. So we have to write actual number and we have to give the symbol. Here also I forgot. See? Here I will rub this box. What are the actual numbers of these numbers? 5 upon 16 means what? 5 upon 16 only. Okay. And 6 upon 16 means what? 3 upon 8. Which is greater? 6 upon 16 means 3 upon 8. Clear? Is that clear? Yes? Okay, good. Now one more last example I will solve for you. 10th one I will solve. 2 upon 3, 1 upon 9. Now denominators are different. We need to find out the LCM. So first 3 ones are 3. Now 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 ones are 3. So 3 multiples are only 3 and the 9 multiples are 3 multiplied by 3. So we will write common ones and 3 as it is. 3 3s are 9. So what is the LCM? LCM is 9. Now we will compare the numbers. 2 upon 3. So LCM is what? 9. So write in the place of denominator and write here 3 as it is. Now what 3s are 9? 3 3s are 9. Now 3 we have taken here in the place of denominator, so take same in the place of numerator and 2 as it is. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now the next number 1 upon 9. Now what should come? The denominator place 9. So here 9 words are 9, 9 ones are 9. So 1 as it is and 1 as it is. 1 ones are 1. So the numbers are, the fractions are 6 upon 9 and 1 upon 9. Which is greater? Denominators are same, isn't it? So numerators compare 6 or 1. Of course 6 is greater. Now 6 upon 9 means what? 2 upon 3. So write here. And 1 upon 9 means what? 1 upon 9 only. And which is greater? 6 upon 9 means 2 upon 3. Now give the symbol and make the box. In this way you have to solve. Clear? Yes. Now we will solve B question. What is B question, students? Which fraction is smaller in each pair? Now we have seen the greater. Now we have to see the smaller. Okay. Now we will solve B question. In that, first one I will take 12 upon 15 comma 7 upon 15. See, just difference is what? We have to give the symbol to the smaller number. Now can you compare 2 upon 15 and 7 upon 15? Why I am writing directly? Because the denominators are same. These are like fractions. When the denominators are same, we can compare with the numerators. What are the numerators? 2 and 7. Which is smaller? 2. So give arrow. Clear? Only this much. See, when the denominators are same, it is very easy to solve. Now I will take different example. Third one I will take 1 upon 10 comma 1 upon 15. Now see, denominators are different. First we need to we have to make the denominators are same. How we can make? By LCM. Now we need to find out the LCM of 10 and 15. 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. What about 15? 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now the multiples of 10 is 2 multiplied by 5. And the multiples of 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. Now 5 is common, so we will take only ones, and the remaining as it is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now what is the multiplication? 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are, yes, 30, isn't it? So right here 30. What is the LCM? LCM is 30, isn't it? Now we will compare the numbers. Now what are the numbers? 1 upon 10. Now what should come in the place of denominator? LCM, that is 30. Now 10 multiplied by what? We get 30. 10 3s are 30. So if we have multiplied 3 in the place of denominator, same number we have to take in the place of numerator. And this number copy here. 1 3s are 3. The next number 1 upon 15. Okay, so in the place of denominator what should come? LCM, that is 30. So now 15 right here as it is. Now 15 multiplied by what? That we will get 30. 15 2s are 30. So if you have multiplied 2 in the place of denominator, same multiply with the place of numerator, and 1 as it is. 1 2s are 2. Now we will compare the fractions. 3 upon 30, 2 upon 30. Now here we are comparing, we are finding the smaller number, smaller fraction. Now see which is smaller? 2 upon 30. But these are the real fractions? No. 3 upon 30 means what? 1 upon 10. And 2 upon 30 means what? 1 upon 15. Now which is smaller? 2 upon 30 means 1 upon 15. To the bracket. Understood? Clear? Yes. Now next example I will solve. Now I will solve sixth one. What is the sixth one, students? 7 upon 12 comma 9 upon 16. Now see, in this number both the denominators are different, so we cannot compare directly. Now we need to find out the LCM of both the numbers. First we will find out the LCM of 12 and 16. Now see, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now what about 16? 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2 ones are 2, isn't it? Now what are the multiples of 12? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. What about 16? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now circle the common multiples. So write only ones, 2, 2, and write the remaining numbers. See here 2 is same, but how we want? Same in the place of, in the multiples of 12 also, but it is not there. So take 2, 2 and 2, these 3 numbers. Now do the multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are, if you don't know, just do the rough work. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, that is 48. What is 48? LCM. The LCM is 48. Now we will compare 7 upon 12. And what is the LCM? Write in the place of denominator, that is 48. So write 12 and 7 as it is. 7 multiplied by 12 multiplied by. Now 12 multiplied by what? We get 48. Yes. 12 4s are, isn't it? So take 4 in the place of numerator also. Now 7 4s are 28. So write here 28. Now next number 9 upon 16. Okay, so write here 9 multiplied by and 16 multiplied by, and denominator should come 48. Now tell me 16 what's are 48? Yes, 16 threes are, isn't it? Yes, 16 threes are 48. And now here what about? Here write 3 only. 9 threes are 27. Now we got two fractions, that are 28 upon 48 and 27 upon 48. Now compare both the numbers. See, denominators are same. Which is smaller? Yes, 28 or 27? Of course 27. But what is 28 upon 48 is? 7 upon 12. And 27 upon 48 means 9 upon 16. Which is smaller? 27 means 9 upon 16. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. Now we have solved from B question 3 examples. Now same as we have solved in the question A, same as it is. We were giving the greater symbol in A question. We have to find out smaller fraction, and we need to give the symbol. Okay, so remaining example you will solve by your own in your rub book. Now practice question number A and B of exercise 1.7 today itself in your rub book, and try to solve C and D also in the rub book. In the next episode when I solve on the board, just cross check your answer. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.